Hi there, it's Mrs. Clark, your librarian again. I'm going to tell you about 3 books that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called Took. Daniel and his sister Erica didn't want to move to West Virginia. Their new home is a rundown old farm surrounded by woods miles from town. Daniel becomes worried when he notices Erica becoming more withdrawn, holding long conversations with her look-alike doll, and their parents growing increasingly unhappy in their new surroundings. And to make matters worse, the local kids treat Daniel and Erica as snobby outsiders and frighten them with strange stories about their house and a witch called Old Auntie. They say Old Auntie takes a girl and keeps her for 50 years, then lets her go and takes another one. At first, Daniel dismisses the tales of the witch and Bloody Bones, her man-eating razorback hog. But gradually, he's forced to believe that Erica is in real danger. When she vanishes, he knows she's been took, and he must summon all his courage to confront Old Auntie and get his sister back. Horror fans and readers looking for a good scare will enjoy this creepy tale. The next book is The Benefits of Being an Octopus. Some people can do their homework. Some people get to have crushes on boys. Some people have other things they've got to do. Zoe has her hands full as she takes care of her younger siblings after school every day while her mom works her shift at the pizza parlor. Not that her mom seems to appreciate it. At least there's Lenny, her mom's boyfriend. They all get to live in his nice, clean trailer. At school, Zoe tries to stay under the radar. Her only friend Fuchsia has her own issues, and since they're in an entirely different world than the rich kids, it's best if no one notices them. Zoe thinks how much easier everything would be if she were an octopus. 8 arms to do 8 things at once. Incredible camouflage ability and steady, unblinking vision. Powerful protective defenses. Unfortunately, she's not totally invisible, and one of her teachers forces her to join the debate club. Even though Zoe resists participating, debate ultimately leads her to see things in a new way. Her mom's relationship with Lenny, Fuchsia's situation, and her own place in this town of people who think they're better than her. Can Zoe find the courage to speak up, even if it means risking the most stable home she's ever had? This book will have you immediately rooting for Zoe. I highly recommend it. The last book I will tell you about is Soul Lanterns. 12-year-old Nozomi lives in the Japanese city of Hiroshima. She wasn't even born when the bombing of Hiroshima took place. Every year, Nozomi joins her family at the lantern floating ceremony to honor those lost in the bombing. People write the names of their deceased loved ones along with messages of peace on paper lanterns and set them afloat on the river. This year, Nozomi realizes that her mother always releases one lantern with no name. She begins to ask questions, and when complicated stories of loss and loneliness unfold, Nozomi and her friends come up with a creative way to share their loved ones' experiences. By opening people's eyes to the struggles they all keep hidden, the project teaches the entire community new ways to show compassion. Soul Lanterns is an honest exploration of what happened on August 6, 1945, and offers a glimpse not only into the rich cultural history of Japan, but also into the lives of those who recognize the urgent need for peace. This is one moving story I'm sure you will love if you are on the lookout for an incredible historical fiction story. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to check one out and have a fabulous day.